If your hot tub water's cloudy, it means you have one of two problems. Number one, your water chemistry is off, like your pH or chlorine levels. Number two, you've got a larger filtration issue like biofilm buildup inside your pipes or a dirty filter system. Whether the cloudy water just appeared overnight or it's a chronic, ongoing problem, tackling the root cause is the first step. And once you know why it's cloudy, clearing it up is relatively quick and straightforward. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to clear up cloudy hot tub water in just 1 hour. Let's dive in. Hey, it's Matt from Swim University. Before we get into the video, if you want more help taking care of your hot tub, be sure to grab our free hot tub cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/spa sheet. It's totally free and will help keep your hot tub clean and clear throughout the year. Okay, let's go over how to solve these two common cloudy water problems. If you already know why your water is cloudy, like maybe you just had a lot of people over using your hot tub or your chlorine is low, then you can skip ahead to the walkthrough. But if you're not sure why it's cloudy, here are two root causes and how to fix them before trying to clear things up. Number one is poor water chemistry. If you use your hot tub a lot, your sanitizer, aka your chlorine or bromine, might not be able to keep up with the contaminants. The more you use your spa, the more body oil, shampoo, and even dead skin cells can build up in your water. So if you notice cloudy water after using your hot tub a lot, your chlorine or bromine levels just might be low. Another cause of cloudy water are high pH or alkalinity levels. When these levels are high, it can cause white film or scale to form on your hot tub surfaces and inside your plumbing, and that can cause cloudy water. Finally, you might have high metal or mineral levels in your water. Filling your hot tub with tap water that contains metals like copper and iron can stain your surfaces and cause cloudy water. High calcium hardness levels form hard water and can also cause cloudiness. The solution to all of this is to test your levels once a week with test strips or a liquid test kit. Sometimes just rebalancing your water chemistry can clear up the cloudiness. If you suspect that you have metals in your water, you may need to bring a water sample to a pool or spa dealer and then use a metal remover in your water. And be sure to use a hose filter whenever you fill your hot tub. Number two is filtration issues. Contaminants like sweat, body oils, and bacteria build up over time inside your hot tub plumbing, and after several months, it can start to form a protective layer called biofilm. Unfortunately, that biofilm is resistant to normal chemical levels like chlorine, bromine, and even shock. So every time water passes through your plumbing, that biofilm circulates back into your hot tub and causes cloudy water. The only way to remove biofilm in your pipes is with a hot tub line flush cleaner. So every 3 to 4 months, you want to plan to purge your pipes, drain your hot tub, and refill it with fresh water. The other common issue is a dirty or damaged filter. If your filter isn't working properly, cloudy water particles will pass right through it and circulate back into your hot tub. So clean your filter regularly by spraying it down with a hose or a filter cleaner. And make sure the cartridge filter is properly installed in the filter well. Now that we've covered the root causes, here's how to clear up cloudy hot tub water in just 1 hour. Clean your filter. Remove your filter cartridge and rinse it with a hose or spray it with a filter cleaner. If you haven't cleaned your filter in a while, you might want to soak the cartridge overnight in a filter cleaning solution. Test and balance your alkalinity, pH, and sanitizer. Start by testing and rebalancing your total alkalinity first. This will help stabilize the pH. Then adjust your pH by adding pH increaser or decreaser to your water. And finally, add your chlorine or bromine accordingly. When you add hot tub chemicals, make sure that the jets are on low, the cover is off, and the hot tub is running, and wait at least 20 minutes before retesting and adding more chemicals. If you need more help getting these levels right, be sure to check out our other video on balancing your hot tub water chemistry. Add chlorine shock. A highly concentrated dose of chlorine will kill any lingering contaminants that are causing the cloudy water, and chlorine shock can be used in both chlorine and bromine hot tubs. Just never mix bromine and chlorine chemicals together outside of your hot tub. Non-chlorine shock, aka oxidizer, is probably not powerful enough to clear up cloudy water, but it's a great shock for weekly maintenance. If you need more help with hot tub shock, be sure to check out our other videos. Keep your filter running 24/7 and let your filter run for at least 1 day to remove any lingering contaminants. And make sure that your water is circulating regularly throughout the week. If these steps don't clear up your water, you can add a water clarifier to help speed things up. This chemical clumps together tiny particles in your water, making them easier for your filter to remove them. But it won't help solve the underlying issues. So don't skip out on cleaning your filter, balancing your water, and shocking your hot tub. Once your hot tub water is clear, here's how to prevent cloudy water from coming back. Always fill your hot tub with filtered water. Use a hose filter whenever you're adding water to your hot tub. This will help remove metals and minerals. Test and balance your water chemistry weekly, and make sure that your alkalinity, pH, and chlorine or bromine are within range, and adjust levels as necessary. Shock your water weekly. Adding a non-chlorine shock to your water after each use, or at least once a week, can help keep your sanitizer active and working. But if you're noticing larger issues like slime or algae, use Chlorine Shock. Keep your filter clean and running. Rinse your filter with a hose once a week or with a filter cleaner spray every month, and soak it in a filter cleaning solution every few months. And make sure that your filter is running regularly. Whether you run it manually or programmed your hot tub to run automatic filter cycles, be sure you're doing it often enough to clear contaminants. Use a hot tub plumbing cleaner every 3 to 4 months. Plan on flushing out your hot tub plumbing every quarter and changing out your water. This will prevent biofilm from building up inside your pipes. Finally, if you need more help with hot tub care, be sure to grab our free hot tub cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/spasheet. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out our channel for more tutorials. That's it. Thanks again, and happy soaking.